So we're gonna see how to make a really old recipe. It's called cacio e pepe, one of the best dishes of Roman tradition, and it's done with just pecorino cheese. It's a sheep cheese. It's really salty and nice tasting cheese, and black pepper, and extra virgin olive oil, and of course we needed fresh homemade pasta like tagliolini, like this one. The first things we needed to keep the water where we cooked the pasta. We don't have to put too much salt inside because we need the water to make the sauce. We can start to make to put some extra virgin olive oil inside the pasta, the boiled pasta. We mix it a little bit, and we put it the water, the hot water. You have to be sure that the pasta is not start to become too warm. We're gonna put the cheese inside, and we have to mix it. We have to make a nice sauce with the water and the cheese, and also the extra virgin olive oil. So the creamy is done like this. So we're gonna put some black pepper. This pepper is come from Nepal. It is really strong and nice flavor. It's called sawarak, and it's done from a really nice guy. And wow, the smell is unbelievable. So we're gonna mix with the black pepper. You see, it start to become really dry pasta soon. So we have to hit in a quick time. Here we go. This is cacio e pepe. Don't forget it, the cheese on the top. We have to see the cheese, and we have to put it a lot of black pepper. It's not really white, creamy, but it's more black because it's done with just 2 ingredients. So you have to feel it and taste it. Enjoy.